Consolidation means combining multiple Excel files into one unified, accurate, and structured report, saving time and eliminating manual errors. Here's a typical finance scenario. Departments often share Excel files with columns in different orders. Manual alignment is time-consuming and error-prone. Our bot identifies columns and consolidates all files into one standardized output. Here's a folder with the files from different departments, ready to be processed by our bot. Highlighted in yellow are the header names. Our bot detects these and maps columns accurately and processes it. Let's log in securely to the Ambot 365 platform. Once logged in, select Consolidation Bot and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. It starts fetching files from the selected folder and processes them in the background. Within seconds we get a full summary. 6 files processed, 2,000 rows merged, 0 errors, and everything logged. The final output is saved automatically to the target folder, version controlled and ready to use. Here's the final result. A clean, consolidated Excel file built entirely from column header logic that the finance team needs to analyze. This bot saves 90% time, removes human error, handles large data, and works without technical skills.